Hello students, today we will see duties of match referee. Match referee is an official responsible for the conduct of game under rules and regulations. His decision shall be final for the result of the match. He is authorized to exercise his powers under the rules. He enforces the rules of the game over both teams, gives decisions on controversies and disputes over ground. Referee keeps the record of the game and acts as timekeeper. He stops the game if a player has been seriously injured and restarts the game after stoppage. He is to check the equipments of the game and see that ground is fit for conduct of the game. Listen here. Referee has whole responsibility of match. Match referee remains on the field during the game, and his decision is final decision for result of the match. Referee's decision is a final decision for result of the match. The main role of referee is to make sure that the rules of the game they are officiating are followed by all players. A referee will explain the rules of the game for both teams. Referee will explain the rules of the game of both teams. Referee keeps the record of the game and he will check the all equipments of the game which has required. And he will see that ground it is fit or not for conduct the game. See in your textbook, referee's direction is given in this picture. This is indirect free kick, advantage. This is in advantage direction, substitution. While doing substitution, referee will do like this action. Offside, he will raise a flag. Okay, throw in like this he will show. And caution means warning. This is yellow card. When player will do commit mistakes, serious faults, that time referee will show yellow card, means first warning. This is direct free kick. After commit mistakes, referee will do opponent side direction. Okay. This is sending off. Sending off means this is red card. When player will do serious foul or mistakes again and again, that time referee will send him to out of the game. Okay, by showing red cards. This is also offside on the near side of the field. This near side of the field, when here it will happen, that time referee will show like this direction, and when it's happen center of the field, referee will do like this action. Okay, and upside on the field means on the field, opponent field means he will do direction like this. Clear? Next one, duties of assistant referee. There are two assistant referees or linesmen. They assist or help the match referee during the game. Their duties are to indicate match referee by various signals like ball is out of play, which team to get corner kick or throw in or goal kick or offside. They are equipped with flags. Duties of assistant referee. Assistant referee is also called line umpire or linesman. Clear? Assistant referees helps to match referee during the game. Assistant referees helps to match referee during the game. Means during the game, if any players has done commit mistakes or if ball goes out of field or any other fouls. Okay. Assistant referee will give signals with raising flag. Understood? Listen here once again. Assistant referee helps to match referee during the game. During the game. While playing the game, if any players has done commit mistakes or if ball goes out of the field or any other fouls, then assistant referee will give signal with raising flags. Okay, for example, offsides, corner kick, throw in, etc. Okay. Next, duties of captain. See here. He represents the team to decide the toss, make strategies of the team in the field. He decides the team members and their positions. He guides the team action in the playing field, which player to take, throw in, corner kick, penalty kick, etc. Captain encourages team members to play better, checks the conduct of team members in the playing field. Duties of captain. Before start the match, referee will call both teams captain and they will do toss. After that, who will win the toss, that captain decides what he has to choose. First of all, ground or ball. And he only decides team members' position. Which player has takes place on defender and which player takes place in striker or attackers. Okay, and also he will tell to players in the match which player to take, throw in, penalty, corner kick, etc. And he will guide them to observe the opponent players, which player is good, you have to tackle them. Okay, understood? Next, fifth point, fundamental skills of football. So here first one is kicking or shooting. This is the most common skill used to hit the ball with power. It reaches long or away to the desired position. It is performed in various ways like kicking with inside, outside of the foot, instep kick, punt kick, sneeze, scissor kick, and banana or chip kick, rollback kick, etc. It can be used during free kick, goal kick, corner kick, penalty kick, or when situation suits. Okay, so kicking and shooting. Kicking is a common skill of football. It is used to give long pass for own teammates. It is used to give long pass for own teammates like inside a foot, outside a foot, and it is used for punt kick, banana kick, penalty kick, goal kick, free kick when situation has come. Okay. Dribbling. It is faking to the opponent in such a way that the control of ball is kept. Player controls the movement of the ball with the feet, whereas upper body gives the dodging movement. Dribbling means dodging. It is very important skill of football. If any player don't know how to dribble with forward movement, okay, they cannot become football player. It is faking to opponent player because it is speaking to opponent player. When any player moves forward, when any player moves forward with dribbling, players control that movement of the ball with the feet. Players control that movement with the ball with the feet. This skill shows how to control on ball with the movement. This skill shows how to control on the ball with movement. Okay. So remaining part I will continue in next video. Thank you.